Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I am doing my teacher gift today, teacher gift video today. If you are new here or you just happen to stumble upon this video, just letting you know I have an entire playlist of Christmas and holiday and different holiday gifting ideas in the description box down below. I have an entire playlist of gift ideas. A lot of them are very budget friendly from over the years. So this is the mystery gift box I am giving my son's teacher this year for Christmas. My son's teacher has 2 assistants because it is a special education class, and for his assistants this year, I have never met them in person because, as you know, with everything going on, you're probably not allowed to go to your kid's school either, unless it's to pick them up or something. But any holiday parties or anything like that, parents have not been allowed this entire school year. So what I did was I ordered these Amazon gift cards. They come in a pack of 5, and they come in these little envelopes here that are sealed. And then on the back you can write, to, from, that kind of thing. So I ordered 2 sets. They're 5 in a set. They're $25 each. I'll pop a little screenshot here so you can see what they look like in case you want to order them for different people in your life. So both of his teacher's assistants will get an Amazon gift card. It's $25. And I did buy a bunch of these Christmas gift cards. So they actually have a slot to insert the gift card, but I'll just lay it in there and I'll have Grady write a little Merry Christmas, thank you, Happy New Year's message. So 2 of these for the assistants, and then for his main teacher, I purchased this actual box at Home Goods. I think the actual box itself was $6. It's a box you can definitely reuse again. It's extremely sturdy. It's not something that is very flimsy that you could just break apart. It's like a hard shell, legit box. So I thought the colors were really pretty. It's just like a craft paper color, and then it has these foiled, different woodland vibe Christmas trees all over them. Very whimsical, pretty pinks, mint greens, gold, silver. You guys get the deal. This is a decent sized box. It's the size of maybe a shoe box, although a little bit taller. And then I'm going to show you everything I put inside of it and tell you where I got it, price points, just so you can get some ideas for, anybody that you're gifting to, I think would enjoy something like this. So the way that I'm going to present it, I didn't want to show it now because everything would be covered and everything, but I'm going to cover this whole thing with some pretty sparkly tissue paper, and then on top of the tissue paper I'm going to lay her Christmas card, which my son will write, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, thank you for all you do. And then when she peels back the tissue paper, all these little items, will be revealed. So I'm going to pull everything out, tell you where I got it, the price point. Hopefully I can remember all of them. I've been collecting these things over the past couple weeks. So the first item on top here are these Columbia brand. They are 2 pair of fleece lined socks. So the actual interior of the sock where your foot goes is fleece. They're really soft and cozy. I tried to go with something neutral and nothing too Christmas-y. I didn't want to get anything with Santa on it because I wanted her to be able to wear them throughout the winter. So there's this black and white kind of static print pair, and then this black sort of Fair Isle-ish pair. These I got at Marshall's, and I believe I took the prices off most items, but I believe these were about $7 for both pairs, which I thought was a great deal since Columbia is a really good company. I have a ton of Columbia items, and they're just really high quality. The next thing that I picked up for her are these Rosé the Day Away. They're sparkling rosé gummies, little gummy bears. And these I also got at Marshall's or Home Goods. I think it was Home Goods. And they were $4.99. This is a large bag. It's a 10-ounce bag, and they packed this thing to the top, but I will go ahead and remove that price tag. And then moving into the actual box, I got her this Ray Dunn notepad set. It's 3 notebooks that you can see here. And the top say best teacher ever, awesome teacher, and born to teach. And she can obviously use them, you know, at school to take different notes. I just thought they were a nice size, like for your desk, or even like a desk drawer or your purse, just to jot things down. I got a couple little small things. Oh, by the way, these I think were $5.99, guys. $5.99-ish, somewhere around $6, I think, for those. This is just a little Nutella to go with breadsticks. I don't know, $1 something. I think I picked that up at like Target. And then I also got her these really nice pens by the brand Fringe. I have a few sets of their pens myself that people have gifted me. They're just really nice pens. They're pretty. And these say, one says, enjoy the little things. One says, surround yourself in love. And one says, collect memories. And this was $5, $4.99, I believe, from TJ Maxx. Couple items from the Dollar Tree. One is this John Frieda leave-in hair mask, and one is a Bolero sheet mask. This is the pineapple and aloe vera. I've used these Bolero sheet masks myself. Are they the best masks in the world? No. But for $1, they're really nice. They're pampering. They feel good. They smell good. And you just can't beat $1 for a sheet mask. So I threw those in there. And then I got this little Yankee candle. This is a mini in the scent Christmas wreath. It has like very nice, you know, Christmas tree smell, holiday smell. And I just went with the little guy. And I think I got this at the Yankee Candle outlet. And I think they had a deal that day. I want to say I paid about $4 for this, give or take, which is a good deal. I also picked up these Harry and David wafer roll chocolate peppermint sticks. They're kind of like pirouettes. And these were from Marshall's or Home Goods as well. And they were very inexpensive. I believe these were about $2.99 for this container. And a Harry and David is a really nice brand. I'm throwing in a Bath & Body Works oatmeal. This is the hand cream, and it's like an oatmeal scent. I think this was like a freebie that I got. They give you like free coupons, and I just have a collection of a few of these, so I threw one in here. I also grabbed these Maggie's chocolate covered cookies. They're actually Oreos. It even says in the ingredients Oreo with a little TM for trademarked. And they're just dipped in white chocolate, milk chocolate, and then have these like crushed up peppermint candies on top. So I thought those were cute. I think these were about $6.99, $7, somewhere in that ballpark. And then lastly, I put in 2 holiday-ish jams. These are also from Marshall's, Home Goods. It's the Stonewall Kitchen brand, which is a really nice brand. It's just like a smaller brand. So it's not like anything like a Smucker's. It's more of a specialty brand. And this is their holiday jam. And it says right on it, creators of specialty food. And this one says, a hint of orange liqueur brings out the flavors of ripe pear, tart cranberry, and sweet raspberry in this very special jam. I just thought it was something different and unique. It's not like your run-of-the-mill, you know, strawberry, raspberry, or grape that she could put on like biscuits or English muffins or whatever. It's just small and nice. And then this is the same brand, but this is the Wild Maine Blueberry Jam. I have had this exact flavor and brand many times. I get it from my mom sometimes. It's delicious. It has like whole little mini wild blueberries in it. And it's really good on bagels and English muffins and toast. And I did just put some of this like confetti paper down just so it could house, it kind of nestles the jam, because these are glass jars and I obviously don't want anything to break. So that's pretty much everything I got. Oh, by the way, guys, these jams I believe were $2.99 each. So I don't know exactly what I spent total. I'm gonna guess around $50, which sounds about right with everything, because again, that box was $6 and then all these little goodies added up, and I would imagine it's somewhere around $50, which is where I like to be for my son's main teacher. And then you guys saw, if you watched my video last week was it, for the therapy gifts for my son's therapist. So I just try to give, you know, as much as I can within a reasonable budget for our family to anyone in his life that helps, you know, to better him educationally, therapeutically. It's just important to me. So just to recap everything here I picked up, I'm going to place everything back in here, and then I'm going to, again, cover it with tissue paper and the card, and I might put like a pretty bow on top of here, or like maybe a ribbon or something, and wrap it. And then I'll go ahead and drop everything off along with the assistant gifts, which will be gift cards. I'm probably going to do that sooner than later because of everything going on. We don't know here if our schools are going to get shut down. New York City already got shut down, all the schools. So obviously us being in New York State, we could be next. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some ideas of little things that you could pick up at price points that work for you, for different people in your life. Thanks so much for watching, and once again, check out the description box if you want a ton more gift ideas and different price points from over the years, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.